Hi Pisces, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month here, Pisces. If the message doesn't resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as you can check in the description box below on the monthly June 2020 reading for Pisces. Also, please stay towards the end because I'll be putting an advice card as well as a channel message from your person. Alright, Pisces, the first card that I've got for you here is the Six of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So you could be dealing with a fire sign or someone with a strong fire in their chart here, Pisces. At this point of time with the Six of Pentacles, I do feel like currently you're just trying to balance up yourself here, like just trying to find the stability, the balance within yourself here, Pisces. With this King of Wands here, I do feel like again you could be dealing with a fire sign or someone with a strong fire in their chart. This is also an indication of someone who's kind of a little bit stubborn and hot temper here. Could also be someone like someone who is like a social butterfly kind of energy here, Pisces. And somehow I do feel like at this point of time you're currently feeling a loss of anxiety coming up within yourself here, Pisces. Loss of anxiety, loss of trouble sleeping, as well as like an overwhelming energy coming up here for you, Pisces. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Tower card. So I do feel like something could have happened, a separation or a misunderstanding or a misargument coming up between you and your person here, Pisces. I've got the Devil card here, so this is an indication of you could be dealing with a Capricorn or someone with a strong Capricorn in their chart. If not, this Devil energy for me is kind of like an indication that you could be dealing with lots of toxicity or negativity surrounding this situation here, Pisces. With this Devil card and the King of Wands coming up together here, I'm getting like kind of a player vibe coming up here, Pisces, or someone who is into earthly pleasure such as drinking and partying, that kind of energy here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the High Priestess. So you're coming up in your reading here, Pisces. I do feel like currently you're just like being asked to follow your intuition. Basically, your intuition has been telling you about this for quite a long time here. It's just that you've been trying to avoid it, or you're just like trying to ignore your gut feeling, trying to ignore your intuition here, Pisces. At this point of time here, I do feel like these are the things that is just giving you anxious. It's just that these are the things that is kind of worrying you, like making you trouble sleeping as well. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ace of Swords, which is an indication of communication, clarity, honesty coming up towards you here, Pisces. I do feel like soon in the month of June here, you will be getting the clarity that you needed here, Pisces. I do feel like you will be getting the truth. The truth will be coming out here, that is just going to make you taking the decision quite easily here, Pisces. You've got the Queen of Cups, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could be dealing with another water sign here. This Queen of Cups is also an indication towards me, Pisces, that you are basically someone who is emotionally mature, someone who has lots of love to give out to other people. This Queen of Cups also is an indication towards me that you could be an empath or an healer, basically someone with a psychic gift here, Pisces, whether you realize it or not. I do feel like this is also an indication that again with this Devil card and the King of Wands, there is also a possibility that your person could be a narcissistic person, and you as an empath here, which is actually again basically a normal combination for narcissistic to with an empathy. So I do feel like you're kind of getting drained from this person here. So at this point of time, I'm getting like you could be actually doing some saging or some cleansing within yourself to just clear out this energy here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ace of Wands, which is an indication of a new passionate beginning. However, I'm getting that this person could only be using you for sex at this point of time here, Pisces. So I do feel like the more you're realizing it, the more it's kind of hurting you and making you feeling kind of low, feeling lots of anxious, feeling feeling lots of overthinkingness energy here. This Ace of Wands for me is also an indication of divine intervention will be coming up towards you here. This Ace of Wands is basically an indication like a renewal spark of energy coming up within yourself here, Pisces. I've got the King of Pentacles coming up for you here, so you could be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This King of Pentacles is also an indication of someone who is mature, who is grounded. At this point of time, Pisces, I could feeling that you could actually dealing with two-person, like two different person who's actually show interest towards you here. One is kind of like playerly vibe, another is someone who is mature, someone who is grounded here. If not, I do feel like this is the transformation that your person is going to take from this King of Wands energy to this King of Pentacles energy. However, I've got the Knight of Pentacles here, so the transformation that your person is going to take is kind of a little bit slow, because the Knight of Pentacles is basically the slowest moving energy in the deck here. So if you're not dealing with two-person, I do feel like this person is currently going through transformation from this, like a social butterfly, playerly wife, someone stubborn, actually going through someone who is mature here. Yeah, I've got the Ten of Wands and the World card coming up here, which is also both are indication of a completion. So I do feel like most like a huge transformation is currently going on within your person here, and I do feel like after this transformation that happened within your person here, Pisces, then they will be coming up towards you here. At this point of time, I do feel like your person is currently feeling overwhelmed and overburdened with this Ten of Wands energy, as well as the World card energy here. Yeah, I do feel like they finally have realized they are doing, and then after finally realizing what they have done here, they're going to come towards you and offering you a new beginning. Wow, we have got 3 aces so far here, Pisces. So definitely this Ace of Pentacles for me is an indication towards me, is an indication of a new solid beginning coming up for you and your person. I do feel like after they're going through transformation here, Pisces, they're going to come and offer you the relationship that you needed here, Pisces, the offer of a new solid beginning. So this time there will not be mind games or anything of that sort here, Pisces. Yeah, the next card that I've got for you here is the Nine of Pentacles. So I do feel like for some of you, your current focus is just like staying single, building up your finances, building up your money here. Like this is the vibe of the boss lady kind of vibe energy that I'm getting here for you, Pisces. The next card that I've got for you here is the Chariot, a Cancer. You could be dealing with a strong Cancer or someone with a strong Cancer in their chart here. Or this could also be an indication of positive movement coming up towards you here, Pisces. Yeah, I do feel like this person will be definitely coming towards you once they have going through this transformation here. Yeah, once they have come towards you here, Pisces, they're definitely going to offer you the love that you needed here. I've got the Page of Cups, which is the Pisces card coming up here. So I do definitely feel there could be some kind of immaturity surrounding this situation here, or there is some kind of a toxic behavior, or like earthly pleasure kind of behavior in this relationship previously, which is actually leading to the separation or leading to the fight and argument with the Tower card earlier. But however, I'm seeing that your person is going through transformation here, Pisces. You've got 3 aces here, which is definitely a good card to get. I do feel like once your person is going through this transformation here, they're definitely going to come towards you, offering a new solid beginning, offering you a new relationship here with this Page of Cups energy. I've got the Empress card coming up for you here. So for those of you who can have children, try to be careful, because this Empress card is also an indication of a pregnancy coming up here, Pisces. So if you don't want to have children, try to be careful here. Let's see the advice card for Pisces, please. Yeah, so the first card that I've got for you here, Pisces, is the Wheel of Fortune. So definitely things are changing in your favor. Again, I do feel like this is most likely something to do with transformation instead of just another person coming up in your life here, Pisces. I do feel like this person is currently going through transformation. However, when this person comes in, you are the one who is going to feel confused here with this Two of Swords. I do feel like you're just unsure whether you need to trust this person again, like whether they have completely changed, or like they're just lying to you once again here. I do feel like you're the one who is currently going to be confused, like just unsure whether you need to accept this person or not at this point of time here, Pisces, when they have written. The next card that I've got for you here is the Nine of Cups, which is an indication of wish fulfillment. So overall, I do feel like both of you are seeing each other as your wish fulfillment here, Pisces. It's just that your person is currently going through so much of transformation, and I do feel like once they have gone through this transformation, they will be coming up towards you, offering you the relationship that you need. And at that point of time, you're the one who's going to be currently feeling confused here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Star card, which is also an indication of healing coming up towards you here, Pisces. You could also be dealing with a Aquarius or someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart. But overall, again, I do feel like lots of healing coming up in the month of June as a collective here. And you can also check your June reading, because even then I sense a strong connection. And now we've got 3 aces here, Pisces. All right, so the guidance message that I've got for you here is be grounded in faith and ask for guidance. So at this point of time, you're basically just being asked to keep your faith here and ask for guidance. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is release your past and learn from it. So I do feel like you're basically currently being asked to let go and release all the past thing, all the past one that had happened between you and this person here, Pisces, and just stay and just keeping this faith here. And I do feel like your person is definitely going through lots of transformation to come towards you here, Pisces. All right, that's it for your June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.